3, go.
Oh, welcome, girls. Ay, tara. Hindi, nag-intro na kami kanina eh.
Saan ba yun? Ay, di, ano ba object?
Dito. Mali dyan, baliw.
Ay, okay.
Ano, mali dyan?
Sa pababa ba tayo? Okay.
Yup, dito. Dito. Ano
Pero
pa?
yun. Joke lang.
Bro,
Uy, go! Sinubugan.
heal me. Likod ah.
Hindi, pwede ka mag-ano.
Tara na. Dito yung entrance, oh. Let's go. Go over.
Dito ba tayo?
Oh, hindi. Si Mikey dito. Alam ko na po,
saan yung
guards.
kabila? Ang
Guards,
kapal.
kapag hindi nakikita ni Mikey yung mission, markad mo na lang.
Di ba ulit? Wait nga lang. Nakikita niya ba ngayon? Nakikita hindi.
Ay, nakikita. Wait lang. Sundan mo na si Gars.
Di ba dito tayo? Dito tayo. Wait nga.
Dito ka.
Ilan kayo dito?
Uy,
Para di kayo
gawa, paano
madami.
yun?
Pindutin mo yung C.
Putang ina nga. Ginawa ko, bali yung pa ako, boy.
Hindi. Rick.
Satisfying.
This is for bang.
Ito siya.
Okay,
Wait,
never
ito.
mind. Boy, makamatay ako, boy. Gago. Pahil ako.
Yeah, bro.
Ito.
Parang yan. Gago, boy. Aray ko.
Salamat.
Baliw ka. Hila.
Gago, boy. Yung village boy ni Raid, oh.
Ano yung village ni Rape?
Raid.
Ni Rape.
Ay, nakapost pala to.
Okay, Kareem, I'm out the village, but there's a whole horde of infected in there.
So, clear them out. We get paid for
May clear out. Wait, nasa sarado nga natin to. Ito ba ito sarado? Dahil clear out muna natin.
Good.
Puta, sumasabog pala yun.
Oo, basta yung bloater. Aray ko!
Gogi ko. Okay na.
Pwede na ito.
Pwede ba sarado? Pwede ba ito sarado? Nandito pa.
I gotta get that gate closed before more of those fuckers get inside.
Ano to?
Okay, patayin nyo lang yung mga bahay.
Search the huts for the lead. Okay.
Hello? Anyone here?
Nope.
Hey, Rice sent me here to pick up. Anyone here? Rice sent me. I'm here for a pickup.
Saka kayo?
Lahat nagsasalita eh.
I'm here on Rice's behalf. I'm supposed to pick something up.
Baka
Hanapin
sa
nyo
taas
lang.
dito.
Dito.
Dito, pre, dito.
Ito ata.
Dito.
Ay, ano ba?
Just tell him to go away. Do it nice and leave us
Ito ba?
alone.
Ay, hindi.
Yeah, send it.
May nagsasalita.
Dito ata sa taas eh. Dito ata sa taas eh. Dito. Kung nasaan ako?
I'm looking for someone in charge here. Rice sent me.
Gil, dito. Baka dito.
On the way. Here. Grabe yung profile
Sige.
picture mo, Mike. Si ano, si...
Thanks.
Ay, sorry,
May tama ba? May tama ba yun ano natin?
Oh, dito.
Oh, ano? Hindi, si Mikey, saan ka? Hindi pa.
Oy, lahat, Ber. Lahat kayo lumapit, Ber. Mikey. Come over here, Ber.
Teka, Miguel.
Ito na, yun na.
Sige.
Hey,
I am-
anybody in there?
Not so loud. You'll draw the monsters.
Look, I got rid of them, but you better reinforce that gate before more show up.
You got rid of them? All of them?
Rice sent me. You Gersel?
Oh, you were for Rise. I should have known this was too good to be true.
You've taken enough. You can't have any more. Frickin' tell him.
Ira,
go on again, huh?
please. Just
You can't just push us around like this. Frickin' gonna kick your ass. Do it.
Hey, fuck you, bitch.
That is entirely-
Fuck you. Let's keep you ass.
A real man would have kicked his ass.
Give me the shit.
Next
Okay,
mission,
Kareem, I
guys.
got Gersel's money. I fucking hate myself now, but I got the money.
the self-hatred
Ano,
fades
patutunan
eventually.
mo kaya mag-crop to si
Just one
Mikey
thing
ng
on
ano,
the
ng...
go. At the ferry station on the
Ng
old
ano to?
street.
Ng banding.
Ferry.
There was until
Sabi
we
ko sa'yo,
descended to the bottom of the
sabi
bay.
ko sa'yo, kunin niyo yung mga airdrop, ay. Wait lang. Inom ako. Uy, gago, dinarap kick.
Puti, kailangan na talaga ng new keyboard eh. Shop, nagtulo ko ng keyboard ko.
Naglalo ka na?
Oh, ano to eh. Tawag ko. Nasa rock. Ay, rock.
May ito na yun. Tingin ka.
Eh di tatanggalin mo na yung ano? Tatanggalin mo yung mga cups.
Switch.
Ay, switch pala, sorry na.
Ito, tinama ka lang. Ganito na naman sa akin. Kabit ko talaga, pre.
Sorry na.
Hindi,
Gago.
wala. Minumura ko ba.
Dito pre, ay isa ka. Dito. Dahil layo pa na ako.
Ito.
Talk to Morgan. Yung si Morgan. Yung si Morgan dito.
I'm here to make
Okay,
a pick
team,
up for Rise.
Nasaan?
Dito. Dito.
Yo.
Pasok ka, baliw.
Yo. Mikey.
Hindi, pasok siya, ano?
Ano yung bintana eh?
Don't
Napakawalang
shoot the
kwenta.
messenger. I'm just trying to like everybody else.
Yeah? So are we. Rise said he'd protect us if we paid him. But so far, all he's done is take our money. There's no protection, just threats. You any different?
Look, all I want to do is get this over with. What's it gonna take, huh? Don't need to point out how easy it would be to set this entire place on fire.
Jesus
Yeah.
Christ. You people are fucking monsters. All my money's in that satchel. Take it and get the fuck out.
If for what it's
Parang
worth,
natin.
this isn't something I want to do.
Ginagawa lang natin
I'd rather
trabaho.
be helping you guys.
And yet you're still doing it, aren't you?
Damn. Grabe.
Ano to?
Damn.
Ano yan? Tayo
Damn.
na sa'yo. Give me my money.
Okay, Kareem, I made
Give
the
me my money.
ferry station, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to
Ano
hell.
next? Guys.
Club.
Wait.
Now, come back and claim your prize. Good
Yan,
Oh.
bakit claim your price?
Yun.
Oh.
Pwede
PJ.
ba fast travel dito? Ano
Can I get
pwede
ahead?
ba fast travel eh? Ay, bawal.
Ginagin na hit. Hindi, kapag
Hit.
isa sa atin nandun na, pwede tayo fast trap.
Ayaw nga, no?
Ginagin na hit. Sigurado, blowjob yung boy. Bibigay siya.
Gilihid.
What the fuck?
Nakita nyo na may marka.
Ano ba kulay? Ano ba kulay? Hindi ko kita.
Yung
Ito?
ano, yung... Hindi yung blue yung... Ano ba yung kulay na?
Ito, yan.
Ano ba yun? Green?
Tanggalin mo, huwag kayo mag-mark.
Ayaw nga.
Yung singular na ano lang, pre. Nakulay doon.
Ito, chug mo na, chug.
Crane, do you copy?
Nangyari.
Kung ano nangyari.
I copy. What's wrong?
Someone's turned on the 18th floor. We're doing our best to contain
Ay.
the situation, but
Babalik tayo dun, boy.
can't sugarcoat this, Crane.
Mikey,
we
bilisan
need
mo.
medicine right fucking now.
Rise has
Hurry,
promised
Mike,
me
hurry.
2 crates, Brecken. 2 crates. I'm doing this shit as fast as I can, I swear.
Sabi racket.
God, just hurry, please.
Oh, binibilis ako na. Dropkick!
Ang dahil naman ako naman.
Latangin ng dropkick yung kinagat ako. Hindi gumagana
Dito
sa
tayo.
akin.
Pusa.
Here we go.
Pero buti nga wala nga ako. Sige. Sige, hintayin ka na. Yan.
Come on, bro. Come on, Mikey.
Go.
Oh, bloated.
Ay, gagi.
Dead.
How close are you?
I don't know, about halfway back, I guess.
Good. I need you to make a quick detour.
No!
Ah, why?
Aray ko, pre.
Our patrol
Aray ko.
the grid
Ay,
somewhere
gagi,
near
nahulog
the
ko.
market.
How is that my problem?
I'm making it your problem. See if you can find them, or don't bother coming back.
Ano? Hanapin ba na daw natin?
Ay, yung galing.
Teka, yung bayag ko nakalabas sa... Ano ba yung wait lang.
Oo, pati.
Ayoko nga.
Damo?
Recess.
Oh, shit.
Patrol dito ba tayo? Hindi.
Boom, puto. Ganun yun, di ba?
Masyado eh.
Dropkick!
Dropkick.
Teka, patry ako. Putang ina, sabi ko patry.
Mabaho to.
Saan tayo?
Find the missing patrol.
Kareem, I think I found your lost
Patrol yung patrol
patrol.
natin, oh.
Something ripped them limb from limb.
Search the
Damn.
bodies. Look for some blueprints in a small envelope. Don't
Okay.
Did you find the
Search kayo na ano, katon.
Not yet, wait a sec. Holy shit!
Aray ko, pre. Putik na yan, pinatay ako.
Nangyari. Ay, gagi, may mga tao. May mga tao.
Huwag ka gumalaw. Wala. Ano, okay na. Pre, yung mga katawan.
Saan ano? Isang katawan mo.
Ito.
Check mo.
Ito. Ito, susi oh.
Meron.
Yan.
Ay, baka dito sa...
Sa-
Sige, buksan mo.
Oh, dynamite oh.
Granada to. Ikunin nga ni Mikey to. Baka may Mikey. Granada. Saan pa ba meron? Pwede ba natin to...
Hinahanap ko eh. Ito, okay to. Okay na to. Ito.
Ayan,
dito.
yan.
Yun oh.
Yung nasa. Yan ang envelope po.
Okay, got it.
May safe house ba yung pasukan natin?
Right away. You're going to be a hero around here.
Ito.
Paano pumasok siya?
Magano ka dito sa may poste. Yan.
Okay na. Clear.
Come over here. I'm
Eh,
on the
okay naman natin.
antenna. Do you see me?
Tara na.
I'm up here. I need your help.
Mikey,
Yung-
where are you?
Tangan na pala
Ba, yung
makapunta dyan, bye.
Tara, alas dito.
Tama.
Eh,
Uy!
Tangan na mali. Ito dapat yun.
dito. Balik tayo na sana sa ano natin. Ay, ba't tayo sa payment
Dito,
tayo?
ito yung antena, ito.
Ano ba, punta?
Ito yung antena.
Ano ba yan?
Ito yung antena niya. Stuck daw siya sa antena eh.
Stock ba? Sige, tulungan natin daw. Alam mo, ano ba?
tulungan natin yan.
Tulungan daw natin.
Do we have
This is a
to...
family-friendly stream.
Kailangan daw natin tulungan. Asan ba siya? Dito ba siya?
Ano kailangan mo? Dito ako, boy.
Ay bang.
Yo.
Sabi niya.
Ano yan?
I need your help finding my son Cristo.
Ano ba yan?
You work for Rise, don't you?
Sure.
Huwag na!
Protection.
Huwag na.
Huwag
But I
na,
can't
huwag
go.
na.
He's going to get himself killed.
Ah,
He's not
yo,
ready.
son, bro.
Bro, fuck
Dito
yourself,
tayo
bro.
sa ano?
Gawa ka na lang bago.
Kuha.
Check na natin eh.
Sige.
Ba yan? Unskippable lots.
Dapat yun yung pangalan mo eh.
Wait lang ito. Ang layo. Diyos ko po.
Huwag na.
Pwede
Pwede natin decline.
Decline mo.
Palitan mo yung quest, pare. Palitan mo yung quest. Pwede mo palitan yun. Gawin mo ano, yung story quest.
When ginisa Repolyo, Minecraft edited video ulit. Mangyayari ba ulit yun, Mikey?
Possible.
Kapag hindi ka na tinaban.
Kapag binara ko to. Nalalalit yung Minecraft.
Pero go!
Oh, what the fuck?
Magiging alis ako. Mas maganda pa yung Minecraft page kaysa dito.
So,
Ano lang
safe to
naman
say
tayo.
that Rice isn't the
Mini-series
most
lang naman
popular
tayo.
person in
Hindi nga,
town,
mga
huh?
page natin. Mas maganda parang para sa akin. Mas maganda yun. Mas enjoyable
You
yung
know the old
Minecraft page.
saying. It is better to
Yeah,
fear than love.
Pero babalitaan ko kayo once na nag-sale. Basta mag-ipon lang kayo ng mga
Machiavelli.
300 ganun.
Correct.
Okay.
Smart fellow, that one.
Kasi kapag nag-Christmas sale yun, it's either nasa 300 pesos yun or kapag sa
Okay,
anniversary.
wala akong
Mas
kasi-
yung pala
Ano
yung
lang
libre
ganun.
sa Epic Games, no? Grabe na yan.
Damn! Ano?
Sana.
Ah,
Hindi. Microsoft yun eh.
Oo pala. 3DS.
Epic Games, magandang company. Good.
Binibili nila yung license eh.
Wala
Mga saglit lang.
akong pruweba. Feeling ko lang good. Kasi dahil sa Fortnite.
Dahil support.
Reasonable. What ako? Mauna na kayo.
Teka, hiningal ako.
I gotta do dealing that. Doon ako.
Sige, okay.
Okay. So,
Wala na.
So
Kung
far,
nabulo
so-
ako, na pa ako patay. Yun.
GP mo boy. Ito tayo real life.
Sipi mo boy, pag tinira kita.
Mali naman.
What the fuck? Dapat tatanggay ka dun ah.
Karim. Ito. Kel.
Miguel.
Dede. Tawag sa spawn ako dyan. Tika mo.
Mag-fast travel ba?
Right, here are the blueprints.
Ano yun? Slash
Excellent. You're a
teleport.
lot more dependable than most of these drunks. Rise is waiting for you. Maybe we can work together again sometime.
I like
I
this
hope
guy.
not.
Maybe we can work together.
My money.
If you show them compassion, they
Whoa,
will see
ayun na, ayun na.
your weakness. And they will take your whole arm.
Whoa.
Understand? I give you shelter, I give you bread, women, bullets, and you...
Waving?
Babae.
I should send every one of you to the pit. Ah, the tower lackey returns. Do you have something for me, friend?
Yes, I do.
Hey, where's
Now
that?
it's time for you to give me what you promised. 2 crates of Anderson.
I think not.
Bro.
Your loyalty to the tower is nothing but blind obedience, Crane. A coward's submission to false hierarchies. You follow their rules as thoughtlessly as you follow mine, like a good little dog.
Look, we had a deal.
Your people need the antizine. Now, more than ever, I would surmise. But a man who follows someone else's rules is no man at all. Here, I will allow you this much.
You promised me 2 crates of it. This is only 5 vials.
If you want more, I present you with an opportunity. The athlete, the Scorpion, Jade Aldemir. She's one of your number. Bring her to me. I have an arena where men fight for our amusement. I would have this Scorpion fight for us. I'm curious how long it will take for someone of her caliber to break.
The break.
What? No. No, forget it. I'm not doing it.
I hear no conviction in your voice, Crane. You have not yet made your choice, I can tell. Will you be a dog and save the dwellers of the tower? Or will you be a man and save the maiden? Go and think about it.
Pag-isipan mo daw. No, pinatalikod tayo. Tingyan.
Next week.
Drop stolen.
Ah, shit.
Tawag ba tayo? Ay, balik. Wait, ginagawa ko
Halika
dito.
dito, halika dito, guys. Guys, halika dito. Halika dito.
Meron? Meron?
Halika dito, Miguel.
Dami. Go.
Alright, come here.
Mas keep following. Wala.
Follow up for part 3.